Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be checking in on the Jadam Liquid fertiliser that we made about 3.5 weeks ago now. So you can see we've got a nice white layer on top. So plenty of life in there. Now this was made using stinging nettles, dock leaves, grass clippings and some other weeds lying around. It's got quite a sweet smell to it. Just give that a quick stir. And now that that's a quick stir, we'll just fill this jug up. As you can see, it's quite a nice colour on it. Could have been a bit darker, but that'll come in time. Right then, so to test this, I'm going to be using one of these. So TDS VC meter pen, and you can pick these up on Amazon for about £12. You can get more expensive ones, but these work well. And all it is reads your EC, which is electrical conductivity, and your ppm, which is parts per million, and it works out roughly how strong the feed is. So move that out of the way for a minute. Right, so this is just water, so this should be around 250 EC. And that is bang on 250. And for your plants, you range from 900 to 1006. So if we test this, that has gone up to 2214. So we need to dilute that quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is add this into that barrel, give it a stir and keep testing it until we're at the right level. Right then, so this is the barrel we're going to be mixing in. So I'll just test the levels in this quickly. And 250 exact. So we add half of that first, give it a good stir. much of a difference. So this is jug number 3. Put all that in. We're now at 400. So what I think I'm going to do, instead of using a jug, I'll use a bucket. So everything seems to be working quite well on this. The tap, we're not getting much bits through. Hopefully not so many seeds. Just add this into here a bit at a time now. Still at 500. Right, so just took a bucket full out of here and fed it to the pumpkin plant behind us, just so we can add another bucket of stuff into this. But, if you haven't already, guys, please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like and drop me a comment below. That's 700. We're looking for about 900 because I'm going to give this to the flowers. I won't be using it on the tomatoes. Do have another barrel back there full of tomato feed, so I use that for the tomatoes, but mainly the flowers and the hanging baskets and probably a couple of other little bits. We'll get this today, but it's 100% free to make, all using all stuff from around the garden, and it's only been sat for about 3.5 weeks, so the longer you leave it, the stronger it'll get. So the less it'll need diluting down. I have tried it on a couple of things and they seem to be okay after it. And I've seen a couple of people using this method now and they seem to be having great results with it. Should have really emptied a bit more out the barrel, but we should be about there now. 988. So I'm happy to try that on the flowers. It's not too strong and it's not cost anything. So all I'll do now, fill up a watering can and feed that to the plants. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.